The horoscope for those with the Rooster Zodiac. I see a dense forest on a mountain, enveloped by heavy clouds. A divine light appears in the sky, casting magical and beautiful colors. Golden and silver threads, bats, lizards, and treasures appear. Gold and silver bats, lizards, and similar animals appear in abundance. Like treasures. Career-wise. Before a huge stone house, trees with yellow fruits appear. Many trees bearing yellow fruits surround the stone house. Hazy. There appears to be a heavenly frog. In love. The first 3 months appear empty, but a relationship may appear in the latter half of the year. A vast mountain slope, golden, facing west. As if the mountain and river have become one. For health. It's crucial to avoid alcohol. Very likely to be issues with the legs. The short-tempered should be careful to avoid harming the eyes. Socially. There's a desire for strong bonds, true brothers or sisters without blood ties. Those who have true bonds with you reside above you. Your social life looks promising with opportunities. Your home's roof is tinged with the color of peach blossoms, suggesting romance. Perhaps something favorable in July.